Hello friends, let's dive into the top 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that can transform your cooking experience. From trolley shelf to floor scrubbing brushes, these gadgets are customer favorites. A multifunctional food processor saves time, while a silicone baking mat ensures easy cleanup. Don't miss out on an electric can opener or an immersion blender for smoothies and soups. With these top picks, your kitchen will be both efficient and stylish. Let's start the video.
Dish cleaning sponge. A dish cleaning sponge is a versatile tool designed for scrubbing and cleaning dishes effectively. It usually has a soft side for gentle cleaning and a rough, abrasive side for tougher stains. Made from durable materials, these sponges are ideal for removing food residue, grease, and grime from plates, pots, and pans. They're lightweight, easy to grip, and fit comfortably in your hand. The porous texture of the sponge allows it to absorb water and soap efficiently, making dishwashing quicker and easier. Perfect for everyday kitchen cleaning tasks, dish sponges help maintain spotless and hygienic dishes.
Spice box. A spice box is a compact and convenient container designed to store and organize various spices. It typically features multiple compartments, allowing you to keep different spices neatly separated. Made from durable materials like stainless steel, wood, or plastic, spice boxes are designed to preserve the freshness and aroma of your spices. The transparent lids on some models offer easy identification of contents. Ideal for kitchens of all sizes, these boxes save space and help you quickly access your favorite spices while cooking. Stylish and practical, they are a must-have.
Net bag rack. A net bag rack is a convenient and lightweight storage solution designed to hold and organize net bags or reusable grocery bags. It typically features hooks or bars that allow you to hang multiple bags, keeping them within easy reach. Made from durable materials like metal or plastic, these racks are built to support the weight of filled bags. The compact design is perfect for kitchens, pantries, or utility rooms, helping you save space while keeping your bags neatly arranged. With a net bag rack, you can prevent clutter and easily grab a bag when needed, making it an eco-friendly and practical addition to any home.
Floor scrubbing brush. A floor scrubbing brush is a sturdy cleaning tool designed for deep cleaning hard floors. It typically features stiff bristles that effectively remove dirt, grime, and stains from surfaces like tile, concrete, or hardwood. The long handle provides comfortable reach, reducing the need to bend while scrubbing. Made from durable materials, these brushes are built to withstand rigorous cleaning tasks. The ergonomic design ensures a good grip, allowing for better control and pressure during scrubbing. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor spaces, a floor scrubbing brush makes cleaning easier and more efficient, leaving your floors spotless.
Trolley shelf rack. A trolley shelf rack is a versatile and practical storage solution designed for both home and commercial use. It typically features multiple shelves, allowing for easy organization of items. The rack is mounted on wheels, making it highly portable and perfect for moving supplies from one location to another. Its sturdy frame ensures durability, while the open design provides easy access to stored items. Trolley shelf racks are often used in kitchens, garages, and offices to store tools, ingredients, or documents. Many models come with adjustable shelves for added flexibility. With a sleek and functional design, they fit into any decor seamlessly. Easy to assemble and maintain, these racks are an ideal choice for those needing extra storage space. Perfect for maximizing efficiency and keeping your space clutter-free.
Mop Gripper's Wall Hook. A Mop Gripper's Wall Hook is a practical storage solution designed to hold and organize mops, brooms, and other cleaning tools. It features strong, adjustable grips that securely hold the handles in place, preventing them from falling. Mounted on the wall, these hooks save floor space and keep your cleaning tools neatly arranged. Made from durable materials like plastic or metal, they are designed to handle the weight of heavy tools. Easy to install, the hooks are perfect for use in kitchens, laundry rooms, or garages. With Mop Grippers, you can keep your cleaning area organized and clutter-free.
Ice cubes box. An ice cubes box is a practical container designed for freezing and storing ice cubes. It typically features a lid to keep the cubes fresh and prevent spills while in the freezer. Made from durable materials like plastic or silicone, the box is easy to clean and built to withstand freezing temperatures. Many models come with compartments or trays for neatly separating the ice cubes. The compact design allows it to fit easily in most freezers, saving space. Perfect for home use or parties, An ice cubes box ensures you always have a supply of ice on hand for drinks and refreshments.
Cap opener. A bottle cap opener is a handy tool designed to quickly and easily remove caps from bottles. It features a sturdy metal edge or lever that grips the cap, allowing you to pry it off with minimal effort. Compact and lightweight, bottle openers are easy to carry and perfect for home kitchens, bars, or outdoor activities. Some models come with ergonomic handles for a comfortable grip. Made from durable materials like stainless steel, they are built to last and resist wear. Whether for soda, beer, or other bottled beverages, a bottle cap opener is an essential tool for everyday convenience.
Bathtub drain protector. A bathtub drain protector is a small yet essential tool designed to prevent hair, soap scum, and debris from clogging your drain. It typically fits over or inside the drain, catching unwanted particles while allowing water to flow through easily. Made from durable materials like silicone or stainless steel, these protectors are rust-resistant and long-lasting. Easy to install and remove, they are simple to clean and maintain. The drain protector is ideal for keeping your plumbing clear and reducing the need for harsh chemical cleaners. It's a must-have for maintaining a clean and functional bathroom.
Space-saving shelf rack. A space-saving shelf rack is a practical storage solution designed to maximize vertical space in small areas. It features multiple tiers or shelves, allowing you to organize items efficiently while reducing clutter. Made from durable materials like metal, wood, or plastic, these racks are sturdy and built to last. Their compact design makes them ideal for use in kitchens, bathrooms, or closets where space is limited. Easy to assemble, these racks offer flexibility in organizing everything from kitchenware to toiletries. With a sleek, minimalist style, space-saving shelf racks blend seamlessly into any decor, helping you keep your home organized and tidy.
Kitchen pan organizer stand. A kitchen pan organizer stand is a space-saving solution designed to keep your pans neatly arranged and easily accessible. It typically features multiple tiers or slots to hold pans of various sizes, helping you avoid stacking them and preventing scratches. Made from sturdy materials like metal or wood, these stands are durable and built to last. The compact design fits easily into cabinets or countertops, maximizing your kitchen storage space. With an organizer stand, you can quickly grab the pan you need without disrupting the rest. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen clutter-free and organized.